Hello. Right, this is the new one. This is the number 3, third Gen 2 that I've had. There is an issue with this one, which I have sort of documented on the unboxing. Now, Sky, I think, don't seem to think that this is a problem, but I do think it's a pretty big problem. It's really hard to show, and it's almost impossible to show through video. It's really disappointing, to be quite honest. It's almost got like rippling through the screen. I don't think it's the screen. What I actually think it is the anti-glare, anti-reflection coating that they've put on this, because this is really majorly reflective, this screen. It's way more reflective than my Gen 1. It's way more reflective than the one that's just gone back and the one before that. It reflects everything, so it's almost impossible to get a photo to send to Sky. And it's like, I believe it's a rippling in that. First of all, I thought it was a panel. It was almost like the panel was creased. The only way I can describe is if you get a lovely bit of cardboard and then you fold it and unfold it, it's got a crease through it. Looks like that, and it goes from edge to edge. So I'm not going to I'm not going to upload the unboxing of that, because it wasn't really an unboxing anyway, because the people came and they didn't have a box 4 to put the new one in, so they literally took this one out of the box and put the old one in that box. To be quite honest, I think I would have rather kept the old TV than this one. I have literally told Sky they're escalating it, and it can take 48 hours. Hopefully I'll hear something tomorrow, because I've had more than 2 and this is my 3rd one, and different problems on each. I think it's a massive quality control issue at Sky, because I didn't have any issues like this with my Gen 1. My missus didn't have any issues with her Gen 1. Yeah, so it's hardware issues this time. It's not software issues. So, you know, I had issues with the Gen 1, but it was software things where they'd written things, and, you know, I had a few issues with plugging stuff in, and that was basically software based. This is hardware based. Every problem I've had so far has been a hardware based problem, and I believe this is a hardware. This isn't something that can be solved with software. It's like the anti-glare coating hasn't been put on very well, or they've got a work experience lad to put it on. It's really patchy and it looks absolutely horrible. So this screen looks, when it's off, it looks really patchy, and it reflects everything. It's like a mirror. I've never seen a screen like it. It's the most reflective screen I've ever seen. I was speaking to the bloke with Sky for probably over half an hour, I should think. I was trying to get pictures, and I said I have a video that shows me when I go up and down. And first of all, you'll notice that I noticed it vertically, which is still apparent. It's not as apparent as much. It's at the bottom, and the issue is this sort of about there, I think it is. When I go like that, you can't see it now unless I've got the screen turned off, but you probably wouldn't see it through video anyway. There are lines that go across the whole screen, and they're not uniform, they're not straight, they're all just wiggly, like I said with if you get cardboard and scrunch it up and screw it up. And I have literally said to Sky, this isn't something, I'm quite happy for an engineer or someone to come out and have a look. They'll probably just tell me a load of bullshit anyway, because they're just being independent ones. So I don't think this is worthy. This is fit for purpose, and I've literally said if you won't replace it, I'll be sending it back and cancelling, because I've had enough of it now. I really have. I mean, my Gen 1, it did cause me issues, software issues, just idiot programmers basically. And I don't know. I'm at that stage where it's annoying me that much I couldn't give 2 hits about it. I didn't swear then. I stopped myself. And got a good unboxing coming up tomorrow, and it's going to be something completely different, something that I really love and I've really been waiting for. You might not like it, but I love it, and I think it's going to be absolutely fantastic, and I can't wait. So thanks for watching. And it's my birthday tomorrow, so yeah, thanks for watching. You know what to do, people.